Boost Mobile App Review 2025. Manage your wireless plan easily in 2025. Most people get this wrong, but managing your phone plan shouldn't require a customer service call. The Boost Mobile app aims to simplify everything, but how well does it work in 2025? The Boost Mobile app allows users to manage prepaid wireless plans, track data usage, pay bills, and upgrade services directly from their phone. It's designed for customers who want control without contracts. One major advantage is transparency. You can see data usage in real time, which helps avoid slowdowns or unexpected limits. The surprising truth is that visibility alone changes how people use mobile data. Another pro is convenience. Payments, plan changes, and add-ons are handled in minutes. Push notifications keep users informed about renewals and promotions. However, you won't believe what happens next if you rely heavily on support. Some users report occasional app glitches or slow loading during peak times. Customer service through the app can also feel limited. Another downside is that advanced account customization is still simpler on the website. In conclusion, the Boost Mobile app is a strong companion for prepaid users. If you value flexibility and easy self-management, it does its job well in 2025.